Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you the easiest method to create Canva frames. I will be sharing with you a few examples, so stay tuned till the end. Earlier on, I had showed you how you can create gradient effects using Canva. I have also showed you how you can use Adobe Illustrator with Canva to make a clipping mask. And I have also showed you how you can use frames within Canva to create a clipping mask. I have created a few other videos also. If you look through my playlist, you'll be able to find. And in this video I'm going to share with you the easiest method I have found so far on creating your frames in Canva. So let's start by creating a 1000 by 1000 custom design. There's no specific dimensions. This is what I am using. From here I will show you a few examples. The first one I want to show you is of an apple. What I'm going to do is go to elements and search for apple. Okay, here you can see a lot of images. We don't want to use very simple ones. I want to show you something like a more complex. Okay, you can use this. For example, it has a few shades of colors and it has kind of like texture. So when you have this picture, what we need to do is we want to save this picture as it is. Okay, I'm going to go to the share button and I'm going to download it. I don't want to click on the transparent background because I want the background there, and I'm going to download this as a PNG file. So once this file is downloaded, I'm just going to click on open file. So if you're a Mac user, you will definitely have this preview option. So this once you click on open file, you will actually get this preview thing. So from here you go to view and search for show markup toolbar. Okay, once you have this, click on it and it will drop down a few things, and from here you want to choose the instant alpha. When you click on instant alpha and there's a cross button that comes up, so you actually click and drag on your picture and you can see that the entire thing turns red. So you just play around with this. We don't want to select the background, we just want to select the image, and from once you have this, you can see that marquee and you can just hit delete button and there you have your frame. Okay, I'm just going to change the name of this, and we have our frame ready, but we are not quite done yet. What we want to do is we want to upload this we want to save this and we want to upload this back into Canva. Okay, I'm going to click on uploads, and from here just find your file. Okay, and then click on upload. Okay, so I'm going to add a new page. Okay, and I'm going to select the one that we recently uploaded. Okay, can't see anything over here because the background of the previous image we downloaded was also white. So what we want to do is we want to search for photos and we want to search for like a few backgrounds, maybe a glitter background for example. Okay, let's choose this one. And what we want to notice is that you want to click on this background and put them behind the mask that you just created. Okay, so the background image that you're going to use comes behind, and the mask that you created, the frame that you created, is going to come in front. Okay, so once you have it, you just drag your image, drag your frame, and then fit the screen, and then from here you can see that you can see the effect take place. So I want you to download this, and without the transparent background, we want to download this as it is. Okay, just going to download this, and then what we are going to do is we are going to re-upload this image onto Canva. Okay, we're going to click on upload. Okay, now we have this design come up, and then we're going to open it in Canva again, and I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to click on the new image that we created. We're not quite done yet. I'll show you. We are going to create. Okay, when you see the background, it's actually you have this white background. We don't want it, so you're going to click on edit image, and from here you do the background remover. When you click on it, the white background will disappear, and then you have your item ready for use. See, this is what we want. So you can use the magic resize option in Canva and resize your picture as you like it. So this is a transparent this is kind of like a cutout image, you know, that you're getting over here. So if you want to create another what do you say, if you want to create another mask, I mean, if you want to create another background and you don't want this glitter effect but you want something else, you can just go to the page 2 where we are applying the effect, and then just click on whatever background you want and then bring it back and then do the same thing again. Just repeat the process. Since you already have those in place, you can just repeat the process. Okay, I'll show you how. I want to go to photos and I'm going to search for something else. Okay, so this one. So I'm just going to click on this and click on replace background. So now the pink one is gone. Now it's going to be the black one. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the share button without the transparent background. I'm going to download it and I'm going to re-upload it again and then get rid of the white background. That is what we are going to do. See, now we have two apples, different glitter effects. You can add anything. You can add a textured effects, you can add a glass effect, you can add a holographic effect, you can add gradients, you can do anything with this. So it is very easy, and you don't need any other software like Adobe Illustrator, Photopea or whatever. You can directly do this like using Canva and just a preview option in your Mac laptop that you already have. So nothing fancy. This is very, very simple, and you can do this. You can use any elements in Canva and apply this method. So I've shown you this with the apple, and I will show you something else also. I want to show you another example where the getting rid of the image and making it into a frame is a slightly bit more tedious, but then you can still achieve it in your preview section. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a flower, and once we have that, we can try and remove that flower element and make that into a frame. Okay, so when you click on flower, you will get a lot of options. Just scroll down and find something that you like. Okay, I think this one is complex enough. Okay, let's try this one. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to download it as it is. I'm not going to get rid of the background or anything. I'm just going to download. And now I'm going to click on open the file. Okay, so this is our file, and I'm going to go to the markup toolbar and click on the instant alpha. I'm going to choose. Okay, so you can see this is slightly a bit more complex. Not everything is selected, so whatever is selected, you just try to get rid of them first and then go from another angle and try to get rid of a few portions from there. So just repeat this process. In the event that a few lines get distorted here and there, you can just go over them, just zoom in and go over them, and then they will just disappear. It's very, very simple. Okay, you just need to repeat the same process over and over again for a few times to get to the desired effect. Okay, there we have it. So everything is completely removed and we have our very own flower frames, double flower frames. Okay, so I'm going to save this and then upload it back into Canva. Once we upload it into Canva, we can apply the background that we want. I'm going to add a page. Okay, this is what we have. Since the background is the same, that's why we are not seeing the effect, and can just change the color of it. But before we do that, I'm going to go to the photos and then click on something. Okay, here I'm going to replace the background. So now you can see that the effect has taken place. So I'm going to expand this frame of mine so that I can save it and then re-upload it and then get rid of the background. So I'm going to save it, download without the transparent background. I'm going to save this. Once it's done, I'm going to upload it back. Okay, it's over here. So once I have this, I'm going to get rid of the background. So just to be sure, you can just change the background of the background so you can see it in action. So once I have that, I'm going to remove the background, so that page color will just disappear, and then you have your image. You can just click on apply and there you have it. Similarly, you can just go back to the previous page and then play around with the background. I just want to bring to your notice that sometimes it is possible that your workspace becomes blank or the same color as the frame. So this is happening because the frame becomes the background, and we don't want that. So what we can do is you can actually replace the background and then redo the frame effect, or you can just simply undo your last move. Okay, so that will actually bring up your frame. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new, and if you are a regular on my site, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I find that a lot of people who are watching my videos have not subscribed, so I really I'm requesting you to subscribe to my channel so that my channel can grow and I can bring you more content and that will be of use to you. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end, and hope you found this video useful and helpful. Thank you. Also, if you think that this video could help another person, please do consider sharing with them. And yeah, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much again. Bye bye. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.